Let us hear a message from our Regional Chief of Staff, our Senior Superintendent Richie E. Pabares.
Thank you so much, of course, to the father of BFP10, no less, our Chief Superintendent Romesi Bradley, sir, and my co-officers, the commando, the Ardo, and the other officers. This is but timely because since Sir Dwinias had assumed office, we have already assessed them and it was not been properly observed. And our RD now is very, very right. This is for our own good. Remember what had transpired last year when the ARTA came to our office, what had happened to us. Napuliki ko og hold the line, diha lang na po cater sila. What is the importance of having this discipline in place? Particularly attendance. I will again remind you, kanang atong punch card, if you will be caught na naghawid ka og punch card nga dili imo, that is a dismissible offense. I did not tell you. There was a personnel of the Civil Service Commission came to our office finding me. Mayo gani kay walay nakita. And this is but proper, sir, to implement such, to save the image of our agency and to keep us be in a safe and comfort place. Ang disiplina para sa kayuhan, dili para sa kadautan. So as your Regional Chief of Staff, it is but proper to direct all division heads. Be careful with your divisions. Take charge of your personnel. Because down the line, responsibilities and liabilities lies on your head. Walay problema kung mawala mo with very important reason, valid reason. Ang pinaka-problema diha, kung nakapunch-in ka, wala ka sa imong office. Unya, madisgrasya ka simbakulang sa gawas, that is a very big problem of the office. And this is but proper now to inculcate in our minds that the fatherly advice of our regional director be within our heart. Change must emanate from within, and as personnel of the regional headquarters, we must be model for the lower units in order for them to respect us and to pay attention of what had been introduced to him, the discipline and other disciplinary machineries. Walay madaot, walay mawala if we will follow rules and regulations. Thank you and good day to all of us. I hope that all division heads, section heads will take charge. I will be monitoring also all the division heads to make sure that all your personnel are well accounted for. Thank you and good day once again.
Thank you for your message, sir. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn to be followed by the BFP hymn. traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Girly R. Ayaay. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.